In today's video, I'm going to show you LockedIn, an AI tool built to be your smart copilot for interviews and meetings. It takes care of note taking, summarizes key insights, and helps you stay fully engaged. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Getting started is quick and simple. LockedIn connects directly with your calendar and video conferencing platforms. Once linked, it can join meetings automatically or whenever you request. No need for app switching or complicated permissions, it just runs quietly in the background and starts working as soon as your call begins. The real highlight is its live transcription and instant summaries. It captures conversations, organizes the main points, and can even flag key moments during calls. You can tag participants and ask for quick summaries on the spot, making it especially useful for interviews or sessions that involve feedback. For hiring teams, LockedIn goes beyond transcription. It helps structure interviews, suggests follow up questions, and even picks up on soft skills or hesitations by analyzing tone and pacing. It's like having a reliable second set of ears that doesn't miss a thing. Accuracy is strong, with transcripts usually 90-95% correct, even with fast talkers or different accents. More importantly, it understands context, not just words. While it's wise to double check final notes, it still saves a lot of manual effort. Privacy is also covered. Meetings are private by default, and participants are notified when recording takes place. The free plan has limits on how many calls you can store, while advanced analytics like trend reports or speaker breakdowns are part of the premium upgrade. One downside is that it may not handle very technical discussions where exact terminology is critical. Overall, Locked In isn't just another meeting recorder, it's a smart assistant that delivers clear, concise, and relevant insights. If you handle interviews, client meetings, or strategy sessions, this could easily become one of the most valuable tools you'll try in 2025. Thank you for watching this video.